Hey guys, welcome to Anju Risa channel. My name is Trisa, but I prefer to be called Risa because it's easier. And in this video, I will show you how I made this velvet hair bow. And the thing about velvet is the luxurious texture, the glamorous texture. And I promise you this will be easy. Stay tuned. I am using velvet fabric for this hair bow. And velvet fabric has this luxurious and glamorous texture, and you can feel, even I can't show you from the camera, but this fabric has a little furry texture, so make sure that the direction of the fabric will be the same. You can feel it with your hands, and I can't show you from here. It's a little furry and you can feel the furry texture. The first fabric is 20 by 20 centimeters, and then the second fabric is 20 by 28 centimeters. With the same direction, as you can feel, fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew this part. And do the same thing, fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew this part. Make sure that you leave an opening right in the center to let us turn the fabric. And also make sure that the direction of the fabric is the same. As you can see, this is the opening. And then I will fold the seams, open the seam right here, and then turn it over and do the same thing. The seam is right here in the center. Fold it over. After this, I want to make the hair bow looks more sturdy. Like this because velvet fabric is very soft. So I'm adding a felt fabric in the hair bow. The piece is about 20 by 9 centimeters. Put it right here. And then this one is about 28 by 9 centimeters. Put it right here, and we are going to sew this part. The felt fabric is to make the hair bow looks more sturdy. Like this, look more sturdy inside. Now we are going to turn the fabrics inside out. Just turn it. I want to mark the center of the fabric like I did in my hair bow. So the hair bow is balanced on the left side and the right side. Fold the fabric in half and draw the exact center. Next, I'm going to gather the fabric right in the center, but make sure that the direction of the fabric is the same. Even I can't show you from the camera, but I can feel the fabric, the furry direction. I want the furry texture is facing down, so it's like this. I'm going to gather the center. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it. Now depends on the center of the bow. I want to make the center of the bow using beads, covered with beads. So I won't cut this thread. If you want to make the centerpiece like this, you are going to need a fabric with the size 15 by 8 centimeters. Fold it in half and then turn it over, sew it and turn it over. You can attach it to the hair bow, but I want to make the centerpiece like this, so I won't cut this thread. First, I'm going to attach a hair clip. Attach a hair clip with hot glue gun. Next, I want to attach some beads, so I'm going to add a lot of beads from the thread here. Just add some beads. After you think it's long enough, I will measure this. It's about 20 centimeters or 8 inches. Now wrap around the bow about 3 times. I think it's not enough. It's only until here, so I will add another one. Okay, I think it's enough. I wrap it about 3 times. The last step is to secure the thread. Sew it a few times to make sure that the thread is secure. And we just simply cut the thread. And that's it. Our beautiful hair bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!